has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Vaughn County, northern Fayette County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Greenville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Greenville and Woburn around 5:20 p.m. Mulberry Grove around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Smithboro, Pleasant Mound, Dudleyville, Shafter, Hagerstown, Vale City, Bingham, and Avena. This includes the following state parks: Ramsey Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 45 and 76.